And now, we have arrived at the announcement of the winner of the social category. Based on the evaluation of the jury, this idea is a great fusion of forward-looking technology and social networking and social responsibility. It is the Uber of the drones. So the winner is MEDFLY, the emergency medicine drone distributor. Congratulations! Let's watch their video.
COVID-19 pandemic, 12 months and still on. With the lockdown and also with the stay home, stay safe process, people start to have difficulties to connect to each other, especially when it's coming to logistic distribution. In this moment, thousands of drones are available in every country, city and every region. We made flights. We thought about you. We collected all drones users to create an awesome network in order to provide you with the drone stations. Well, that's why MEDFLY created her own platform. That's why we developed a software for every smart device and also so easy to connect users with consumers. We are offering you easy access to application through Play Store and App Store. Our professional user can analyze their customers' geolocation so easy and provide them with the fast services. Our plan is to reach you there where you are, and this is how we are going to build our beautiful community. For the time being, a lot of patients have issues to get access to their medication and doses on time. That's why we thought about you and we have made this one-click application, and then the drone will be next to your door. Our software will find nearest pharmacy store and available drone user for you. Pick up medical box and bring drug for the patient directly. Our project is a new generation of logistic transport, 100% friendly and great, especially that we are decreasing the emissions since we are using electricity instead of gas.
Another great solution. Congratulations, guys.